Hello, and welcome to Being True, Being Me. My little corner of the world. A place where fantasy runs free, ideas are collected, and dreams are coming true. Sounds a bit too much? Well, maybe. But I'm afraid that if you are to watch these videos, you are probably going to have to put up with words like that from time to time. Why? Simple. It is who I am. Rational and realistic most of the time. And romantic and dreamy in the moments of in-between. A bookworm that loves a book's ability to take you someplace else. I mean, isn't that wonderful? A few words put together in the right way, and what a power they can possess. It was only recently I've realized this. A girl that admires the simple things in life, smiling her way through. A sweet spot in her heart for baking. Trying and failing on her way, facing challenges, overcoming obstacles, and never giving up. Well, almost never. Music being an inseparable part of her life. A dreamer, hoping that one day the impossible would become the truth, and she would hold her own book in hands. You could be asking, what are you going to find here? A good question indeed. Let me think on it for a second or two. The truth is, I am not sure myself, but I think that is the beauty of it. I am simply letting the time guide me, allowing my mind to wander around, looking for ideas. And meanwhile, I might show up here from time to time. Yours truly, Adriana.